Okay, today we're just going to show a quick way to change your media. Yes, you can always add a new media and delete the one you don't want anymore, like this, by going to your library, selecting the new media, and now that media is part of your story. And then you simply delete the media you don't want anymore, and of course you may want to reposition the new media to the position of the old one. A much easier and quicker way to do this would be to select the media you want to replace and then simply click on Change. Select the new media and it replaces it. It's just that easy. Well, I hope you found this demo helpful, and thank you for using Display.Stream.